Alright kiddos, buckle up for our space adventure. 2, 3. We're zooming off to Mercury. Mercury is like the sun's little buddy. It's the closest planet to our blazing star. This planet is a real speed demon. It zooms around the sun in just 88 days. So, if you spend a year on Mercury, we'd have aged for years back on Earth. Now, here's the kicker. Mercury's surface is hotter than a pancake on a griddle. It soaks up the sun's heat like a sponge, making it scorching hot. In fact, it gets so toasty that in some places, lead, yes, good old lead, would melt like ice cream on a summer's day. Imagine that, lead turning into liquid goo. Don't worry though, we'll be suited up in our space gear. So no melting kids on our watch, but hold on to your space helmets. 'Cause things get even weirder on Mercury. Nights can be as dark as a black hole. That's because Mercury spins so fast that one side is always facing away from the sun, plunging it into darkness. So, sometimes on Mercury, you could have a midnight party while the sun is still up. Now, that's a cosmic disco. Lastly, if you're planning a trip to Mercury, watch out for the crater collection. It's like a galactic junkyard up there, with meteors and space debris flying all over the place. So, keep your heads on a swivel. So, there you have it, kids! Mercury, the sun's hotshot neighbor, the speedster of the solar system, and a bit of a mystery. I bet you're itching to learn more about this fascinating planet. Let's keep our eyes on the stars and blast off to our next cosmic destination.
Mercury, 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 so close to the sun, speeding through space, always on the run. Hot and hot, on your surface we roam, exploring your mysteries, far from home. Mercury, Mercury, shining so bright in the sky above, like a twin. Mercury, shining so bright in the sky above, like a twinkling light. Mercury, Mercury, a cosmic delight. On this tiny planet, everything's just right tonight. Everything's just right. Mercury, Mercury, so close to the sun, speeding through space, always on the run. Hotter than hot, on your surface we roll, exploring your mysteries, far from home. Mercury, 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 shining so bright in the sky above, like a twinkling light. Mercury, Mercury, a cosmic delight. On this tiny planet, everything's just right tonight. Everything's just right. Mercury, 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 so close to the sun, speeding through space, always on the run. Hot and hot, on your surface we roam, exploring your mysteries, far from home. Mercury, Mercury, shining so bright in the sky above, like a twin. Mercury, shining so bright in the sky above, like a twinkling light. Mercury, Mercury, a cosmic delight. On this tiny planet, everything's just right tonight. Everything's just right. Planet Mercury, Mercury, so close to the sun, speeding through space, always on the run. Hotter than hot, on your surface we roll,